Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. This is our project title is Concise Lookup Tables for IPv4 and IPv6 longest prefix matching in Scalable routers. We present a distinct longest prefix matching lookup scheme able to achieve existingly concise lookup tables suitable for scalable routers based on unfiled hash tables for handling both IPv4 and IPv6 simultaneously. Hold excels over previous mechanisms in lower on-chip storage for lookup tables, simpler table formats to enjoy richer prefix aggregation and easier implementations, and most importantly, deemed the only design able to accommodate both IPv4 and IPv6 address uniformly and effectively, as its hash tables permit multiple possible buckets to hold each prefix. Hold exhibits the best memory efficiency and can launch parallel search over tables during every LBM lookup, involving fewer cycles per lookup when on-chip memory is used to implement hash tables. With 16 on-chip SRM blocks clocked at 500 MHz, it takes 2 cycles on average to complete a lookup, yielding 250 millions of packets per second. Mean throughput being hash-oriented code well supports incremental table updates besides its high table utilization and lookup throughput. Let us see our data flow diagram. Packets teletraffic monitor. A large part of the teletraffic carried by the internet is generated by file sharing applications. Teletraffic measurements and classifications with an emphasis techniques which can be used to detect the traffic with conventional graphs. Capture packet and analyze top 10. Can intercept and log traffic passing over a digital network as data streams flow across the network. Draw graph. To draw a node in graph. Level 2 capture packets, we can send the image file and text files to capture packets capturing the files. Pick the length to calculate the length of the packet. Mark the list of finally to show on the mark the list of top 10 hosts in every 60 seconds. Let us see our project demo is we can see our main page of our project LBM lookup. Get COP address, choose network IP, network coverage range and user data analysis. Get COP address about static routes, IP routing redundancy in design to allow for transparent failover at the first hop IP router we can get hop address. To click on the surrounding network we can get our hop address. 192.168.239.1. To click on the accept network button, we can see the choose network IP addresses. We network adapter serial port number in display here. To click on the service checking button, analyze network connecting time and network speed depends in exhaust mesh for the IP addresses. To click on the initialize button, let's move on the our system networking speed displayed here. To click on the network bitrate, network sampling rate is 864. It depends upon the networking speed. To click on the network sample rate, network sample rate is 496. It depends upon the our system networking speed. To click on the cancel button, we can see the network coverage range 751 and user data analysis 751. To click on the analyze process, you can see in QoS network allegation strategy network process x86 family 6 model 23 stepping 10 genuine intel. To separate down level 1 and level 2, how they are get in your system capacity and your network allegations, we can see network strategies. Network level system capacity, system processing. Service allegation, network allegation, we can see that network allegations. Network strategies, destination net and source network. We can move on strategies, destination net and source network, routing status, initial route and network finding. Can move that. To click on the go to network button, we can see that network link calculate, select network area, local area connections. Select network area displayed in combo box. What are the types we can get our system displayed in our load combo? I have selected local area connections. LAN area information will be displayed here. Network name, local area connections, device name Realtek, adapter type Ethernet, 802.3 MAC address will be displayed. So IP address is 192 and 168.0.17. It is my system IP addresses. So subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 192.168.0.1. Connection status connected. It doesn't not connected in your system LAN connections. So in display in not connected, we display here. So to click on the next button, so we can see that lookup tables. So host name. So I enter in any host name www.google.com. So we want to any host name entered here. So we can get IP addresses whose are same host name. Our IP addresses getting lookup table. So click on the lookup table. So to click on the lookup button. So to click on the pink button, host name, I enter www.google.com. So we can test our IP addresses pink or not. To click the pink button, so but that IP addresses connected status will be an succeed. So to click on the next button, so we can see in system info, host name, IP address, physical address, workgroup name, Baba. My system workgroup name, workgroup, who's getting a same workgroup name, that IP addresses will be getting your systems. So to click on the display button, so collecting information displayed here, same workgroup name, that IP addresses collecting the informations. The result is displayed. So host name Riaz PC, IP address 192.168.239.1. The same workgroup name is getting one IP addresses will getting on your systems. So to click on the next button, so performance analysis, find network level traffic area. So to click on the get network, I have to select in vnode. So to click on the find status button, network data is identity. So my switch network state IP after serial port number. So we here. So to click on the network level button, so network level display text box. So find traffic area. So to click on the check service button, so AVAC network status 219.110.63.192. It is a check services. So to click on the find traffic button, so current network, so 184.168.36.63. We can send any text files or image file time draft. So to click on the web level button, so service status will be displayed here. So to click on the next button, so client, so to click on the find button, so we can choose any text files or image files. I have to select in one text files. So my system IP address, I have to enter 192.168.0.17. So before that, server running, what is the server form? So to click on the IP addresses, the data has been sent in server. So data has been received, the data saved in D column. So to click on the next button, so to click on the network connection button, so display network IP addresses and traffic area will be displayed here. So I have to select in D to click on the source level button. So service authority network point will be, then network point will be connected. So A to the topology series, start topology and bus topology. So I have to select in start topology. We click on the identity tree topology. So to click on the next node create and source to destinations. So to click on the connected topology, to start topology is connected relations between one to many network. To click on the network connecting, so it will be displayed in start network level 1.473684 and end network level, so 0.875. So to click on the service alert button, so synthetic network allocation is 6.769736. Thank you.